In this video, I am going to talk about the Hello World program in C. So Hello World program is a traditional program you will write in every language. So hashtag include studio.h in bracket. This telling the compiler to include the header file. This studio.h file includes the input and output function, or it is also known as library. Then next we say int main void and open curly brackets. This is defining a function here called main, and int is showing to return integer, and void is shown not taking any argument, not have any parameters shown. And next we have return 0. Return 0 is the exit status of any program. In simple terms, the program ends with this statement. It shows that operating system to stop the program. And next we say printf. The printf function, it is also known as call function. It is used to print the specified string on the screen or to do some work for us. And also you have to use the semicolon here. This executes when one statement ends. Semicolon is used to indicate the end of the statement. Each executable statement in C must end statement. It's also worth nothing that you have multiple semicolon in a row in C. This is because consecutive semicolon represent no operation statement. For example, in the above code, the multiple semicolon after the printf statement are all valid, but don't actually do anything. They are just creating a series of no operation statement. So it is the basic structure of any C program. So let's compile our program, and I am running the program, and you can see the output in the screen. So you can check our channel for more interesting things. Subscribe our channel. Thank you.